The moment alcohol enters your body, your brain begins to respond. Alcohol is absorbed quickly into the bloodstream. As it reaches the brain, neural communication begins to slow. Reaction speed, coordination, and alertness may decrease. Alcohol can enhance sedative brain activity, making the body feel sleepy. Breathing, reflexes, and muscle responses may become slower. Meanwhile, the liver works continuously to break down alcohol. Although alcohol may initially cause drowsiness, it can disrupt normal sleep patterns later. As the effects continue, mental clarity and energy may decline. The feeling of drowsiness is your nervous system responding to alcohol's effects.